Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. What we'll be doing today is a DIY project. It's a bleach zip up hoodie. Now I thrifted this hoodie and it was in, I would say, between 85 to 90% quality, if you understand what I'm trying to explain. It was in a very good condition, basically, is what I'm saying. And I decided it was a bit plain and I wanted to jazz it up, you know, make it more my style. I'm a bit edgy with my style, as well as I have a lazy type of dress code, if you understand what I'm trying to say. So I decided to bleach it out. So I looked at a few tutorials on YouTube and I decided I will film myself doing it so you guys could see how easy it was. So I would tell you, you need to get a hoodie that is at least 95 to 100% cotton. Mine is 90% cotton and 10% polyester, and polyester is a cotton. So definitely need to look at that. Also, you need to look at the color, because with bleach it tends to redden, wash out type of kind of mix. So it's according to what color you're looking for. Is you would choose the color of your hoodie. Again, mine was thrifted, so I didn't really get a choice. I would put the color of the hoodie right here. I'll put a picture for you all to see, and also I'll pop a picture up right here of what it looked like in the end. So guys, without further ado, I'm going to let you just look at what I did. So please remember to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll talk to you in the end. Bye guys. What I've done is I've placed the hoodie on a black garbage bag so that it wouldn't get the bleach on the ground. And what I'm doing here is I'm scrunching the fabric so that it would make a design that I am looking for. Now I'm going to place on the screen both the bleach that I used as well as the spray bottle that I used, so you will be able to see the pictures on both sides exactly of what I used in order to get the look that we're going for here today. So I'm just going around the piece and I'm scrunching the piece up however I would like to get it done. As you guys can see, there's a slight discoloration of the hoodie already. The quality is there, it's great, but the coloring, again, it wasn't a full color and I didn't want to do it into a plain color, so I decided to bleach it with tie-dye. So I'm just going to continue doing that, and then I'm going to start to spray the bleach on it. So again, you can see the spray bottle there, but you've seen a picture of it, so you'll be able to see it even better. And I'm just walking around and I'm spraying it lightly so that I can get the, I guess, the designated design that I'm looking for. It's not rocket science, guys. It's very easy to do. There are multiple tutorials on this on YouTube, but I decided to show you guys exactly what I did, you know, in an updated version, so that you'd be able to see exactly what is being done and how you can achieve this look. If you look at the hoodie, you would see that it has begun to change colors. There is a lightness and a darkness in different areas, and again, I'm just walking around the piece and spraying it continuously. So as you guys can see here, I've decided to, in order to hold the design that I have placed in the fabric, I'm just using some elastic because I couldn't find any string, and I'm going to wrap that around the fabric in order to hold the design that I've already had, so that I'd be able to flip it easily and spray the other side of the hoodie. So I'm just here taking my time, trying to, you know, hold this together as best as I can with the elastic, and I'm just going around it loosely. I'm not tying it very tight, you know, because I still want the bleach to be able to penetrate the fabric. So I'm just going through round and round with it, and then I'm going to secure it at the back. When I'm finished securing it, what I'm going to do is I turned it to show you guys what the front looks like, and I'm going to now spray the back of the hoodie so that the back also gets a design on it. So I'm just walking around. I have this in double time here, spraying it. It's a simple process. Anybody could do this. you know, you have a hoodie that maybe got bleached out in the machine accidentally, you could just, you know, upcycle it like this and use it. So now I'm just showing you what the design actually looks like here. So I'm just taking out the knot that was placed in it, and I'm just going to open up the hoodie so that you'd be able to see what it looks like. So here you can see what it looks like, guys, and I find in the center is a bit plain. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to swirl the center, which you're going to see now in the next clip, which is what you're seeing here, and I'm going to spray that with bleach, and now I'm just opening it up. So you can see in the center it's now a more marbled design. And guys, this is basically what this DIY is about. What I'm going to do for you guys is I'm just going to pop some pictures of what the hoodie looks like on the screen so that you'll be able to see with flash and without flash. And guys, thanks so much for watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and remember to share this video, guys, with your friends and family. So I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.